Hello my friends, I'm happy to tell you that the Club 2023 is now open and you're very welcome to join in at tenroseday.com/club2023. The club membership does not renew automatically, so if you are a member of the current club, the Club 2022, please take a moment to sign up for the next year's club and remember to use your special discount to renew at almost half the price. So what's included in the club membership? Well, everything that is going to be published in the year of 2023. The full photo tutorials in a convenient PDF format, the ad-free versions of all video tutorials, plus all patterns and ebooks. And that includes the digital version of a full-length book about matching cast-ons and bind-offs that is gonna be released next fall. Considering that I publish on average 47 tutorials a year, by the end of the year you will have a whole library of detailed tutorials about a variety of knitting methods. And whether you are a beginner or a more experienced knitter, you will find something in those tutorials that will make you better at your craft. On top of that, you will get a discount on all patterns, courses, knitting collections and ebooks that are not included in the club membership. Plus, starting this year, we'll have an actual knitting group with live Zoom meetings on the first Saturday of every month. The meetings are scheduled at noon Eastern Standard Time to make it possible for knitters from most of the world to join us for a knit and chat with me and other members of the club. The meetings will not be recorded, so they will be as relaxed and casual as any in-person knitting gathering. If any of this sounds interesting, go to tenroseday.com/club2023 and join in.